Had a purple potion in a little glass cup, a cabbage brew I stirred right up. I dropped some lemon juice and oh wow, surprise! It turned bright pink before my eyes. Color changing magic, woo-hoo-hoo. Pink and green and purple too. Acids and bases play peekaboo. Science is a rainbow just for you. Took a spoon of soap and gave a squeeze. It turned the potion into turquoise seas. Vinegar made it pink again, and baking soda brought the green back in. Color changing magic, woo-hoo-hoo. Pink and green and purple too. Acids and bases, what a view. A bubbling rainbow just for you. When the color starts to shift, it means the pH took a twist. Low is sour, high is slick. Cabbage knows the science trick. Now every